Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw from your hot wallet. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up your hot wallet, and then you need to just come here and click on a transfer. That's literally all you have to do, and then if you have token available, you can select that token you want to transfer and then just input the address of the other wallet you'll be transferring to and the amount. As you can see, there's no token showing up right now, and that is because we have not added a token yet. So you need to deposit first. So tap on deposit. Then you can either use a wallet and network to go ahead and deposit to, or you can use this one, gas refuel, to top up the native balance, and you can also use credit card, bank, or cash. And after that, you'll be able to see the token that you can transfer using. Okay, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.